how's it going? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to my spare room, aka a studio. Firstly, I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope you're staying safe. Massive thank you to all the frontline workers, all the nurses, doctors, the delivery drivers, the supermarket workers, everyone who is at the forefront of this. Massive thank you. So as I said, this is my spare room. I am currently living in Spain and we've been hit pretty hard. I haven't been outside the front door in a few weeks properly, so hopefully that will all change. Sorry guys, I'm going to have to cut in on that. I've been just watching it back there while editing, and I've realised absolutely crap what I've just produced. So the opening part was the only salvageable piece there. I realised watching it back and putting the edit together that I didn't actually talk about the product. Well, I did, but I didn't. I left out so much and so many features of this drone that I didn't even review it, if that makes any sense. So I didn't talk about the features. It has follow me mode. It has a 3-axis gimbal. It shoots in 1080p video and 4K photos. I didn't talk about it. It has altitude hold. It has optical flow. It has a gravity sensor. And as I said already, 4K photos. My review, I couldn't compare it to any other drone because I didn't really own, I've never owned another drone. This is kind of like my first one. I should have really talked about the experience of my first drone rather than trying to compare it with the DJI, which I've never owned. The only thing I can compare with the DJI is the price. And I know this is half the price of what a DJI is. If I had one word to sum it up, it'd be fun. And then maybe an easy to use. Okay, if I had 2 words to sum it up, it'd be fun and it'd be easy. But then again, it'd be cheap as well. Okay, if I had 3 words to sum it up, it'd be fun, easy, and cheap. Cheap affordable. Okay, it's not super cheap. I mean, it's like $250. Well, for my one, I paid $250 and I got 3 batteries with it, and it comes in a travel case. I will say you're probably best to go with the 3 batteries or even 2 because, excuse me, the flight time is only 25 minutes, and if you want to go out and have a bit of fun with it, you're gonna need more than 25 minutes. I mean, yeah, you really are. You're gonna want to shoot more and more. So we'll say get the extra batteries, bring it all back, change the battery, and go again with it. It's great fun. What I will say is, if this is your first drone, it's perfect because it has a lot of features that DJI have. And I know I am comparing a lot to DJI because I think DJI are at the top. I bought it because it's got a lot of those features. I can master those, and then when I'm ready and I'm tired of this and I feel like I can go up a step, control it better because I'll have understood all the different functions. It's like a gateway drone. Yeah, it's like a gateway drone or a transitional drone. It's probably a better way to describe it. It's like when you buy your first car. Okay, and you've just come from learning and you're learning to drive. You don't automatically buy a brand new car. It's really expensive. No, because you need to learn. Okay, so you buy something crappy. Well, I did. You buy something crappy, you get your bumps and your cracks and stuff into it, and you learn it, and you learn how to drive on the road, etc. Then you transition into a better car. This is exactly what that is. That's probably the best explanation I can get from it. But again, it is like so much fun to use. It does come in a travel case. This boy, which is quite handy if you want to travel with it. That's pretty it. You can just throw that in the back of your boot, go off to a location to get your drone, fly it, put it back in, come home, charge it up, and it's perfectly safe. So really well worth the money, and it wasn't actually extra. Comes with it. This is how it comes. It comes in this bag with all the padding. Now, I did do a short description of it, and I made this out of cardboard. You can see there's a hole where I put my lens through, shot down, and I have a clip of me just going through what you get in the bag. So if you want to have a look at that now, there you go. Okay, so the bag itself, it's quite sturdy. It's got good padding. In the front pocket we have some Allen keys and some spare propellers. Yep. So just a quick look. Yep. Okay, let's get rid of those. We also have a strap if you didn't want to carry it by the handle. Quite springy a bit. Just close that up. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Okay. There's a bit of a covering over it. And the instructions are just here. Anything else in here now? It's a charger cable. Always handy. Let's pop those back in. Now let's get into the nitty gritty of it. Okay, you can see it's quite padded all around. It's quite secure, easy for traveling. Easily go overhead in the cabin area. And so this is one of the batteries. I have mine numbered. Again, I said I got mine with 3 for about $250 altogether. As the controller, if I can get it out. Okay. All the bits quite springy. Yep. These are the antennas. The slot in between that there is for the mobile device. Quite plasticky, but all in all, it's quite light. It's something you. Yeah, and that's for the camera up and down. Let's try and get a closer look. No, won't zoom in. Okay, stick that back in. Squish it in. And onto the main event. Okay, so this is the drone. You can see the sensors are at the top there. The antenna is the camera. It's got a 90-degree swivel. One thing I will say for that is I wish they did have a protector for it. Okay, so again, more padding underneath. You've got the charger. If you can get it out. You just slot the cable in, the USB, away you go. And this is the clip for your mobile device, which slots into the controller. Okay, and then just all fits neatly back in. Nice and safe. Even though it was a $250, it's all safe and secure. Just want to say a massive thank you for watching. If you could like or subscribe, that'd be great. You can follow me on these channels, and I'll see you in the next one.